How to create new Instagram account. First, go ahead and launch your Instagram app. Now click on the option Create New Account. In order to create your account, you can either use your phone number or the email address. For this video, I will be using my email address. Go ahead and type in your phone number or the email address and then click on Next. Now you will be receiving code in your email address or the phone number that you have just entered. You'll need to check that and type in the code over here. Once you type in the code, click on Next. Now you'll need to generate password for your Instagram account. Create a password with at least 6 letters or numbers. In case you want to save your login info, you can check in for the option and then click on Next. Now go ahead and select your date of birth. Firstly, select the year, day, and the month. After you select it, click on Next. Now you'll need to type in your full name. After you type in, click on Next. Agree to the terms and conditions of Instagram. Click on I agree. Now you can add profile picture to your account. If you want to do so, you can click on Add Picture. For now, I'm going to skip this process. Now generate username for your Instagram account. Once you type in, click on Next. If you want to allow access your contacts to the Instagram account, you can click on Next, or you can skip this process. Now go ahead and try following 5 people. After you check in, you can click on Follow. And just for that, you have created your new Instagram account. Clicking on the option Edit Profile, you can customize these settings: name, username, pronouns, bio, links. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily create new Instagram account. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.